Think a sub-$1,000 3D printer can't handle real business production? 3 years ago, you'd be right, but 2026 changed everything. The best 3D printers for small business now deliver industrial reliability at consumer prices, and we've tested them through 200-hour production runs to find which ones actually survive. 3 models stand out. The Bambu Lab P1S at $699 is your high-volume workhorse with multi-material capability and an enclosed chamber that handles everything from PLA to nylon. It runs 40-hour weeks unattended and catches 90% of print failures before you waste serious material. The Prusa MK4 at $799 costs more upfront, but delivers the most reliable long-term investment with unmatched support. And if you're focused on PLA production, the AnkerMake M5C at just $399 gives you 500 millimeter per second speeds with minimal maintenance. The real difference between consumer and business grade isn't print quality anymore, it's uptime predictability. We break down total cost of ownership, maintenance intervals, and real-world throughput numbers in the full comparison. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.